Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4. Today we will present our extract journal. The title is Economical and Safe Design for Low Traffic, Long Roads, Illumination, Control System by using image recognition technique. The authors, Muhammad M. A.S. Mahmoud, and Leyla Muradkhanli. Keywords: road lightning control, road lightning automation, vehicle image recognition, smart grid, power management, low roads. Published in Science Publishing Group, published on 11 November 2020. Next. Abstract. This paper analyze and investigate lighting automation system in low traffic roads. The author's main objective is to provide solution between expensive safe design, utilize continuous lighting at night for the complete road, or sacrifice the safety to minimize the cost of energy consumption by relying on using vehicles lighting in low traffic road design without lighting system. Each of these two scenarios is extremely significant issue and contradiction to, to each other from economic point of view. By taking into account both of these factors, smart lighting control system by using image recognition technique is proposed by the authors. By using motion sensors and infrared cameras distributed in each zone, any moving object can be detected and each image can be captured and analyzed using image recognition technique to check whether the object is a vehicle or not. In case a vehicle is detected, the control system of the road lighting illuminates only the zone that the vehicles pass through. Economic analysis is provided in this paper. Next.
Introduction and literature review. Traffic road for everyone. Street lights are vital for all road users, like principal arterial, minor arterial, rural collector, local roads, and very low volume roads. In addition to vehicle light, street lights are also good for road users toward visibility, and it can be from everywhere to dangers that exist on the road. Problem: the cost for a street light system is very expensive, and of course, also fully lightened road cost wasted of electricity, and as one vehicle may appear every 3 or 4 hours and even more during the night time, because it will continue to light up throughout the dusk until dawn. The research question how to deal with the problem of using headlight on major arteries, small arteries, brush collector, local roads, and very low volume roads, which are cheap and wasteful for street lamp that can be used optimally and efficiently. All systems mentioned above use LDR sensor to sense nighttime to operate the control system itself. All systems above have used motion sensor to detect the object movement, whatever this object is, and hence control the lights in terms of switching on or off or dimming. Some system movement and change the dimming on the light accordingly. Using light continuously operate during the night for the low traffic road can reduce the cost of illuminating the roads compared with any other high ID light thing, but still is not best solution because the utilization of the system by this operation philosophy is not efficient utilization because most of the time the lack on unnecessary.
Okay, for this section, I will explain about the methods from this journal. Recognition of the number plate rectangular frame is simple method and more than enough to confirm that the moving object is vehicle or not. The process of detection of vehicle number plate consists of the following steps. The first is capture of image. The image is captured by camera for suitable for night time and stored in JPEG format and also converted into grayscale image. After that, pre-processing image and enhancement techniques consist process of sharpening the edge of image, contrast manipulation, reducing noise, color image processing, and image resegmentation. Flat region, flat region extraction. Mathematical morphology is used to detect the region for interest, and several operator are used to calculate the threshold value. The software model using the image processing technology is designed. The programs are implemented in MATLAB. So this is the research procedure. The first is the first step. The first step is check at night or day using the LDR sensor, and it will set the camera. Need to use the night apa namanya nih, is captured by camera suitable for night time. So the first is check night or day using the LDR sensor, and then capture of the image. Then will be pre-processing. Pre-processing is image enhancement. There is something like consist process of sharpening the edge of image, contrast manipulation, reducing noise, color image processing, and image demonstration. And then recognition the plate region. We can see in this picture the authors take some pictures like cars and then camel, people. So the system will recognize to plate number. In this picture, we can see the plate number is captured by this application and implement in MATLAB. There is two economic analysis, direct benefit, calculation for new system costs, power consumption, energy saving costs, and maintenance costs are calculated based on available budgetary price in internet. Indirect benefits, two benefits are considered. First benefit is the gas sales opportunity that will be gained from the reduction of the power consumption in case LED light is used. So the the final tujuan itu for this journal to low the economic analysis. That's all. Until
Okay, then here are the results the author got after they did the research. And the first, get an efficient, safe, and cost-effective solution to design automated lighting system suitable for long roads with low traffic is provided. Second, by using motion sensor and infrared cameras, distribute and install in each zone. Any moving object can be detected and its image can be captured and analyzed using image recognition technique to check whether the object is vehicle or not. And the third, in case a vehicle is detected, the control system of the road Lighting illuminates only the zone that vehicle passes through. The fourth, the gas source opportunity that will be gained from the reduction of the power consumption in case LED light is used. And the last one, the cost saving due to the reduction of the carbon dioxide emission and hence less pollution. Please next. Okay, and then following are the result of research that need to be discussed if this idea is applied to the route. To sum up, huge amount of money can be saved if such project is implemented. In case that the system is applied to only 100-kilometer route, total annual saving become about $117,190 and 24 cents. Total saving is 50 years become 5,855,961 and 75 cents. It means that such system save huge amount of energy and hence expenditure that can be utilized in other project finance. From its discussion, it is also possible to calculate the saving norm for the purpose system to be $1,171.19 per kilometer of years. Please next. This research can be concluded that first, this paper provided an automation design for the illumination of system used on route with low traffic, so that the problem can be solved. Make route operation not only economical but also safe. Second is image recognition technique was used based on identification of vehicle number plate to recognize the object. The third, the image recognition algorithm has been tested on different objects. Then the test result prove that the validity of algorithm is used to detect different type of vehicle. And the last one, calculation using the saving norm index encourage the application of the technique on long road low traffic. The index used is expect to be much higher and thus more cost effective. Okay. Acknowledgement is author would like to thank Nasrin Turksanova for her effort in the survey and collecting information. Please next. Author get reference from several journal and article, and they are as follow. Okay, please next. Okay, our presentation is over. And any question?
Okay, thank you for the group 4. If there is any question, any comment, any opinion from another group, please, this is the time. You can ask the question to the group 4. You can explain your opinion to the group 4, or maybe you have something good idea to the, what I can say, this prototype. No, this is the system design. You can explain it to the group 4, please. This is, I think, quite good journal. Even there is no statistical analysis, but they try to analyze about the cost when they use this system design. It's quite good. Okay, please ask your question. No question, no comment? Okay, so if there is no question or no comment, I will try to review your presentation first. Please open your slide, please. Open your slide. Okay, started from the slide number 3. Okay, I will give a minor revision in here. So please take a look in the point published in. Okay, maybe you can open your article. Your article, please open your article. Okay, okay, stop. Please take a look to the first line. Okay, to the first line. Okay, yeah, you can see the name of this journal is the Journal of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. So this article actually published in the Journal of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. So you can make some revision first. Yeah, just copy the journal name, the Journal of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Okay. Okay, just copy, and then put to the in the published in. Okay. Journal of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Yeah, just copy and paste. Good. And you can make. Okay, it's okay, it's enough. Journal of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Okay, so back to your article again. So this is a quite good economical and safe design for low traffic long roads illumination control system by using image recognition technique. From this article, I can say we cannot find any analytical here because they just mentioned about the system design, and they try to implement the illumination control system. So they try to recognize the vehicle that are moving in the street, and when they can detect the vehicle, the plate number, and they can control the light. Yeah, capture image, pre-processing, plate region plate region extraction, and send to the controller. Yeah, in this. So actually, the system design is quite simple, right? But something that it makes looks complicated when they try to recognize the plate number. The question is, why they need to recognize the plate number when they only need the detection on the moving vehicle? Because they just test to the non-car image and car image. So when the camera detects non-car image, the lights will not turn on. But when they can detect the car, then the light will turn on. Okay. Any moving object enters any zone on the road shall subject to the steps of recognition process. Okay, the second condition. Okay. If the two conditions is satisfied simultaneously, the intelligent lighting system puts on the road lighting of the next zone. Vehicle entering zone. Yeah. So they just need the object recognition. But why they put more effort to detect the vehicle plate number. I think they don't need to put some effort to this technique, because if they just can detect, okay, this is a car, this is not a car, they just using this method to control their life, because they already succeed to detect the non-car image and car image. It's a questionable actually why they need to detect the vehicle plate number. Okay, economic analysis. So this is just analysis, right? Just analysis, because they don't apply it yet. You can see in your article in the discussion, total saving in 50 years becomes something like that. Yeah. Overall, this article is quite good. It's understandable. But in this part, the vehicle plate number, yeah, it's questionable. But they don't explain more about this one. They just mention about, yeah, the second explanation is carried by the image processing software, the text moving vehicle with rectangular plate with characters. So they detect the vehicle by the plate number. But actually, if we can use the Google method, actually we can detect it is a vehicle or not. No number plate recognition. Number plate recognition. Okay, so maybe that's my comment for this article. It is quite good. It is quite simple, actually, quite simple, and actually you can develop it by yourself, maybe without the vehicle plate number detection. Just use the camera to detect the motion, and after that you can use maybe some computer vision technique to detect this is a vehicle or not, and so you don't need to detect the vehicle plate number. And this is maybe the idea for your article, for your last task, because after you present this article, then you need to write a new article for your final task in this course. So this is an idea. You can remove the part of plate number recognition, number plate recognition, and just use this is a car, this is not car, by using a computer vision technique. We can see here they still use the MATLAB, right? So using the MATLAB without a training, so it's still very basic in the image detection. But if you use the computer vision, you can train your data, and then you can start to detect this is a vehicle or not. Yeah, this is the idea for your final task. Because overall, this article is quite good. You can you can recreate this article to your new article and put some idea from your friends, from your SWOP analysis from your friends, and put to your article, so you can produce the new article. Then after that, you can you and your group. So in the group 4, you have 4 members right here, 4 members as one author, and you can publish it to our journal. So we have actually we have a journal in our department. So the journal is called ELINFO, Electronics Informatics and Vocational Education. You can publish here. So this is the goal. This is the goal for our course. You can publish here, because for the focus and scope, we have a 7. We have a 7 focus: applied electronics, applied informatics, vocational education. Okay, I will share my screen. So you can stop your share screen. Okay, this is the goal for our course, the advanced, okay, the professional English. So after you present your journal extraction, you can write your own journal. I mean the review, all right? So because you don't have any time to conduct a study, to conduct a data analysis, you can just create a new article based on your review, and you can publish in our department journal here, the Elinfo, Electronics, Informatics, and Vocational Education. And for this focus and scope, we have a 7. We have applied electronics. So for example, in this article, the Economical and Safe Design for Low Traffic Long Roads Illumination Control System by using image recognition technique is okay. This is belongs to the applied electronics, I think. No, you can also in technology and electronics and informatics. So you can choose the number 1, number 5, or number 6. Yeah, you can choose this focus. Applied electronics, okay, it's okay. Applied informatics also is okay because you use the like a computer vision or the MATLAB function maybe. And you can choose the technology in electronics and informatics also, and the engineering in electronics and informatics also. So you have a 4 here. So this is our goal. So just prepare your new article, okay? Because we already in the group 4, right? So started from the group number 1, number 2, and number 3. Please, you can start your article, your new article, based on your article that already presented, right? It's like a review. It's like a review. So after this one, I will publish your friends SWOP in the Bismarck, so you can download it and you can use it as your additional information to make your article more stronger. Because your article is not based on your data analysis or your study, because it's just like a review. Don't worry, I will show about the how to recreate a new article based on the article you presented and SWOP from your friend. So this is our goal. Because of if you can publish, okay, if you can publish your article in this, maybe in this publisher, in this Elinfo, Electronic Information and Vocational Education Journal, you can easily, I can say you can easily graduate, because you don't need to worry about your article task, because we have a 2 tasks for your graduation, like a thesis, yeah, undergraduate thesis, because this is very important to you. And after that, you need to write your own article and publish in somewhere. But if you can start it right now, okay, in the semester 4, you can graduate easily. You don't need to worry about the article publication again. Okay, something like that. So if there is no question or comment to the group 4, I think it is enough for our session. Please, I will share the link. Send the link to check your attendance. I'm almost forgot. Wait here. If you still have the old link, you can use the link, because I never changed the link. Okay, here. Okay, please check your attendance through the forms, Google Forms, that I already sent through the chat. And after this is group 5, right? So group 5, please prepare your article, send it to me so I can review your article. After that, I I will check this article is good or not, and then if I decided this article is good, wait, you can start to write your journal extraction. So group number 5, Willy Pianiosa Arif Bibia, Alif Naufal Alauddin, Otnil Andi Hermawan, and Lali Kurniasi. Okay. So please prepare your article, send it to me. I will review your article, and after I decide this article is good, you can start to extract your journal and make some PPT. Okay, 18 response, 19. So we have 34 here. $26. We still have 10 more here. Okay, so while we wait your friends to check the attendance, please turn on your camera. I will capture your attendance. Okay, please turn on your camera. I will capture your attendance. Okay. Desktop. Okay, thank you. You can turn off. Your camera now. So thank you for your participation in this session. I hope we will get new knowledge about the electronics and informatics engineering. In this case, about the design for traffic long road illumination control system with image recognition technique. I hope we can gain any new knowledge from this article, so it can improve your knowledge also in the electronics and maybe some little part in informatics field. So thank you for your participation. Don't forget, for the group 5, please send the article to me. I will check your article, and after that you can start to write the PPT about the journal extension. If there is no question or comment again, I will close this session. We can see again in the next week, Monday, right? Monday, in the different course, in the advanced programming course at 2 p.m. So I hope you keep safe, stay healthy, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you next week.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Thank you.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.